12 years ago, I was just an ordinary guy working at a gas station, dreaming of my own Lambo, a house, and the freedom to travel anywhere in the world. Now I'm 29 and I make 80K a month using the strategy I created and tested over the years. In this video, I'll show you exactly how my subscribers copy my actions and get the same results I do. And I'll be honest, there's no need to be some sort of genius. This strategy works even for newbies, but that's not all. Throughout this video, I'm gonna show you how I turn 5 into 3 or 4,000 using this strategy. How's that sound? Something you definitely want to see, and then just copy all my moves. My name is Simon Becker, I'm 29, a professional trader with 9 years of experience, and trading completely changed my life back in the day. Ready to learn how? Then watch till the end. Let's go. I have important news. I want you to be part of my team. Think about it. 15,000 people already earning money with me just by copying my moves in real time. That happens every single day. And now imagine you can join them right now. In my Telegram channel, you'll get daily signals showing you how and when to enter trades. You just copy them and make money. Simple instructions, perfect for beginners. And most importantly, access to my proven strategies that deliver real results. And you know the best part? You can subscribe for free right now. All you have to do is click the link in the description of this video, subscribe to the channel, and start earning today. I'm waiting for you. Before we jump in, let's get everything set up. Starting today with 17, trade duration 1 minute, candle time frame 30 seconds. Adding these pairs, these, and mixing things up with the Cisco stock. And of course, our key assistant, the MACD indicator. All right, focus. Today's goal is not just entering trades, but executing precise analysis. Let's check how well my strategy performs. By the way, the MACD indicator is one of my favorites. It's like an X-ray for the market. It helps you see inside price movements, detect trend reversals, catch impulses, and most importantly, understand when the market is truly ready to move in the right direction. Markets can be chaotic, but if you know how to interpret the data correctly, trust me, this indicator is an absolute beast. All right, let's go, no time to waste. Everything's set, time to get down to business. What do we see? A clear uptrend. There's a small but noticeable correction downward. The MACD histogram has weakened but has not crossed zero. What does this mean? A temporary pause before continued growth. But here's something interesting. A bullish engulfing pattern has formed. A green candle engulfed the red one, and the next candle confirms the upward move. Conclusion, the setup is solid. Let's wait. And yes, textbook execution. This is just the beginning, so let's keep going. Moving on to the next setup. Switching here. We're going down now. Why? Look closely. A support level has been broken, a serious sign. The turquoise MACD line has crossed below the blue line. This signals a trend reversal. The histogram is in a negative territory, meaning selling pressure is increasing. Our decision was clear. Another success, MACD has not let us down yet. What a champ. But here's an interesting thought. How often does MACD get it wrong? Or does it always work when used properly? Let's put it to the test with the next trade. Now moving to Cisco stock. Switch things up and we're going up. What confirms this move? We broke a resistance level and pulled back for a test. MACD shows an upward impulse, histogram is expanding, lines are diverging, plus we have a bullish engulfing pattern, green candle larger than the previous red one. Everything aligns. Let's go. It's such a great feeling when analysis works out perfectly. We're already at 120. Just a heads up, if it seems like everything is going perfectly for me, or if you think I'm just lucky, That's not the case. You're seeing the tip of the iceberg and my results, but it took me 7 years to get here. If you knew what I went through during that time. So, if you are tired of losing your nerves, energy and resources and sick of constantly searching for new strategies, let me tell you, I made a lot of mistakes before becoming a professional and turning trading into my main income source. On my Telegram channel, I give clear practical explanations of how technical analysis works and how to find entry points. If you don't want to become a professional trader but just want to have some more to live on, you can trade along with me under my guidance. Yes, you heard right. I trade, you see all my moves and you copy them. And you don't have to pay for this. I trade for myself, not for you. I just do it online, so I'm not losing anything. Where else can you find this? If you're interested, click the link in the description. Back to currency pairs. Oh, we've hit a new high, but something falls off. I see divergence on MACD. We're climbing, but the histogram is shrinking. What does this tell us? The trend is losing steam. A large red engulfing candle has appeared. The price pulling back to key level confirms a great opportunity for a downward move. The logic is clear, let's go. It's so satisfying to spot a market reversal before it happens and be on the right side. What's happening here? A strong downtrend with several consecutive candles. Candles with long upper wicks. This is a clear sign that we won't push higher. Also, look at the MACD lines. They are pointing downward, confirming the move. The setup is clear and the decision is made. Alright, we're now at 438, a solid continuation. Cisco is back. What do we see? We've reached the key level of 58.84, an important zone where a bounce upward is likely. The MACD indicator confirms this. It signals weakening bearish pressure and the histogram is shrinking, confidently going up. It's so rewarding when your prediction plays out perfectly. Don't forget to adjust here, and we are going down now. What's happening? Just as expected, a reversal. The chart is confidently moving down, the MACD indicator confirms the momentum. The MACD lines are not only pointing down, but also diverging, strengthening the signal. Now we just sit back and watch. Once again, everything played out exactly as planned. We are at 1,618. Do you remember where we started? When the analysis is on point, the results follow. Let's wrap up the day with a solid result. Cisco again, switching here. Breaking it down. We bounced and made a sharp move back to resistance, but for a breakout we need accumulation and it's just not there. There is a high chance of a pullback or even sideways movement until the market builds up for the next move. The decision is obvious, going down. Perfect, 3,106. Now the only question is, how do we celebrate such a productive session? Once again, today's strategy proved its effectiveness. If you paid close attention to the analysis, you'll see this is not luck. It's a system. The key is cold, calculated decisions and discipline. With things going so well, I think it's time to say goodbye. Remember, if you want to join my club and grow with me, trading under the guidance of an experienced trader, then I'm waiting for you on my Telegram. The link is below in the video description and in the pinned comment. Welcome aboard. See you in the next video. That's all for now. Bye.